The US dollar strengthened across the board, which boosted a sell-off in the Russian ruble. Oil is drifting down and could end the week with the steepest decline since July. Saudi Arabia is a week ahead of the schedule for oil facilities restoration. According to Bloomberg, the kingdom is already producing more than 8 million barrels per day. This weighs down considerably on the oil quotes. However, in the nearest future, the situation may change as some new factors have come up to stop the oil prices from further falling. The military tensions are building up in the Middle East. On Thursday, the US announced its intention to deploy about 200 troops in Saudi Arabia in order to strengthen the air defense. 2 Patriot missile batteries and 1 missile defense system are about to be sent to the region. However, today there are no obvious reasons for the oil to rise. Early this morning, Brent futures settled at $62.26 per barrel, which is 0.77% lower than in the previous session. Brent oil price can reach the mark of $60 unless there is a considerable progress in the trade conflict between the US and China. According to American media, the White House may not extend the permission for business partnership with Chinese Huawei. The US dollar is advancing steadily against the major counterparts. Amid this trend, the ruble still holds on, slightly losing ground. The dollar-ruble pair opened the session at 64.44, and the pair is unlikely to pass the 64th figure during the day. Today, Baker Hughes, an oilfield services company, is about to release a report on active oil rigs in the US. A week earlier, the number of the drilling rigs reduced by 14 units, reaching 719 pieces in total. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.